Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another great day and another show, Coffee with Craig show. This week, we have MAPIC as our partner for the week, and so you'll see some commercials from them, and we did an interview earlier. You can go back, we'll tag that as well. Also, MAPIC, biggest real estate expo in all of Europe. It's starting November 30th in Cannes and going to December 2nd. So whether you're going to MAPIC or not going, if you've got a project or a retail property, there's some opportunities for retailers. Let us know, because we definitely like to promote your project or your company in this edition that we'll be putting out at MAPIC. So a lot of exciting things going on this week, and with MAPIC and our retail guide coming up for that fair, definitely a big boom in retail. And also we saw that the retail parks and some of the outlet centers that are opening, very interesting stuff. So we'll get ready to that. Also October, we're almost in first week of October or almost over, and second week here starting. We've got next week, we're at Expo Real with our investment guide, so definitely drop me a message if you're at Expo and would like to meet up for a chat, interview, partnership, and coffee with Craig, or doing some promotion of your company with us. We definitely like to see you at Expo. Send me an SMS and we can meet up at one of the stands. Also, we've got on October 20th, 21st, we have our CEE Investment Awards at the Warsaw Intercontinental Hotel. We just got the awards in, so we'll put up some pictures of that. Very interesting. Very nice awards this year. We've got a lot of sponsors for this event, a lot of people flying in. We do have limited seating because of the COVID situation. The hotel gave us a lot less seats, so if you haven't booked your sponsorship yet or table, please do that now, because we are really coming down to the last few corporate tables available. Having said that, let's jump right into our commercial real estate news with Winston Norman. Winston, welcome to the Coffee with Craig show.
Good morning, Craig.
Good to see you. And we know we have a lot of interesting things now coming on Europa Property. So we'll take a quick break and we'll come back to you in just 20 seconds. So, welcome back. Winston, are you ready with all the excitement of the daily news from EuropaProperty.com?
Yes, I'm ready.
Excellent.
And here we go. We'll start today with a report from Savills Investment Management, and they pinpoint new opportunities in European industrial and logistics sector. So, as we know in the news, the logistics and industrial sector is really flying at the moment. And,
absolutely.
Savills Investment Management go on to say that big box mainstream logistics assets continue to display strong fundamentals, but with pricing pressures driving down yields and new themes emerging. Other industrial subsectors now offer alternative opportunities to investors, and the report entitled "Thinking Outside Big Boxes" identifies these opportunities. It says that long-term demand fundamentals such as economic growth, trade, volume, manufacturing output, and retail sales all continue to provide strong support for such assets, while their availability remains limited in major markets across Europe as vacancy rates near record lows. Online sales, a key demand for e-commerce related big boxes, are expected to grow stronger and be a key driver for occupier demand.
Sounds great. We should be in the logistics business, I think.
Yeah, definitely. Logistics is a good business to be in at the moment with all the strong growth. And the report says that urban and last mile logistics, light industrial estates and cold storage subsectors now offer investors diversification opportunities because they are benefiting from the long-term trend towards the faster movement of goods and supply constraints on urban land. So, yeah, I think that the whole sector, that we're seeing a shift.
And I just got an email past my desk saying if there's anyone either looking for temporary space or has temporary space to provide, to let us know. So if you are either looking for temporary warehouse space, 2, 3, 4 months, I guess, or if you've got some, also let us know and we'll put you in touch with the proper people.
Thanks for that. Moving on, and In Hungary, Futureal has secured a €50 million loan from MKB Bank. This loan is for the third phase of the Budapest ONE office park, which they're developing in Budapest at the moment. And the final phase of this complex is scheduled to be completed in 2022. The first phase was completed in 2020 and offered 25,000 square metres. Phases 2 and 3 are under construction and were structurally completed in May. The simultaneously developed projects will create 40,000 square metres of office space and nearly 3,500 square metres of retail space. And the tenants will be able to move in 2022.
Oh, it's coming up.
It's coming up, and another big project for Budapest, which is showing the need for offices down there. And I think probably the main need these days is back offices and business service sectors, that type of thing.
Absolutely, all the IT guys, all the IT service providers and back office stuff. And and Futureal's company that we know will deliver.
Yep, it looks like it. And moving to Serbia, and EBRD is supporting UMKA, a leading manufacturer of recycled cardboard in the Western Balkans, with a 10 million loan as part of a comprehensive investment program. EBRD will loan UMKA, as I said, 10 million euros. The fund will support UMKA in the introduction of new high value added products and improvements to energy efficiency of its operations. The EBRD is a leading investor in Serbia, and the bank's invested more than 6.8 billion euros in the country to date.
Wow.
Across 293 projects.
Well, yeah, great to see more manufacturers coming back to the region.
Yeah, it's and it's good to see that they're recycling cardboard and helping the environment that way.
We've got a lot of it.
And finally, for today, Real has a new technical director, and he joined the team in September. And the position was taken by Bruno Gresella. He's an accomplished engineer with many years of international experience. He will be responsible for all of Real's office and residential projects. As technical director, he'll be also tasked with optimizing investment processes from project design and preparation through completion.
Excellent. Well, great. Does that wrap it up for today?
Yep, those are the news headlines for today.
All right. Well, Winston, thank you for that. And for any more commercial real estate news, check out EuropaProperty.com. And thank you for viewing. We've got over 8,000 viewers now per week, every week, and over 12 for the news and over 12,000 on the interviews now. So it seems like very consistent and, people watching.
Loyal viewers.
They either like you or like me or both of us. Who knows? Yeah. So what's not to like? Exactly. What's not to like? Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for joining us on Coffee with Craig, and we will see you tomorrow. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.